Hello guys, so today we are going to be introducing CorelDRAW. This is an introduction to CorelDRAW. So first of all, we are going to be launching our app. This is CorelDRAW. I use CorelDRAW 219. We are going to be introducing CorelDRAW, what you need to know about CorelDRAW. So let's get right onto it. Let's launch the app. Pay good attention to this class. If you want more video about CorelDRAW, drop it in the comment section. Comment next in the comment section. So this is what CorelDRAW interface look like. This is what it look like. Well, everybody has his preference, but seriously, I really like CorelDRAW because it is user friendly. What I mean by user friendly is it is easier to navigate. It is straightforward compared to Photoshop. I'm not saying that Photoshop is not good. It is very powerful, but you need extra tutorials. You understand? So let's get right onto the tutorials. Let's play around with the features and get to know their functions and what they do. So let's get right onto it. So we click on this new document. So this interface right here, it is showing you how you want the size of your design to be. The size of your design. How do you want it to be? Do you want it to be landscape? Do you want it to be portrait? This is where you get it. Look at this orientation right here. This is portrait. This is landscape. You understand? And these are the diameters, the weight, the height. This is the paper size you are going to use, always A4. And this is the name you are going to save this work with. You might save it with birthday flyer design, perfume flyer design, a brand name flyer design, stuff, anything, any kind of, always a logo, stuff like that. This is where it's all happened. So let's click on OK. We choose portrait, so it's going to give us portrait. This is it. So this is how CorelDRAW interface looks like. So the first tool right here is the pick tool. This is the pick tool. It allows you to pick objects. You understand? Pick objects from one place and drop them at another place to select, to position objects. You understand? This is the function of pick tool. It's in its name, as it implies, pick tool. Select, position, or transform object. So we have the shape tool, and it has a lot of things below. If you come to the bottom right side, you will see an arrow down. When you click, you see options of what this shape to do: smooth, snail, so on and so forth. It shapes objects. You can use this to remove background from an image. You can use it to smooth image. You can use it to do so many things. You understand? So many things. Then we have the crop tool. You know what crop means: to cut out unwanted place in a picture or stuff like that. When we get to designing, we'll get to know the in-depth of what this tool does. So the next tool we have is zoom tool. You can zoom in and out. We all know what zoom means. In and out. You can zoom in and out. The next tool is freehand. This is where you can draw. You can draw straight line. You can draw curve lines. You can use pen. Look at pen here. Here you can be able to bend text. This is busier. This is busier too. Here you can be able to bend text, bend lines, and so on and so forth. Then we have this tool. You can just call it shape tool. You can use it to get so many shape of your choice. You can get, let's see, okay, rectangle and point rectangle. So this is this ellipse tool, circle, any shape that looks like circle, oval, stuff like that. You can get them here. Then this is the polygon tool. Polygon, 6-sided polygon, 5-sided polygon, and spiral, star, stuff like that. All those polygons with a lot of sides. Then this is what we call the text tool. If you want to write text, you select it, and you write your text. This is where you write text. You understand? So next we have the parallel dimension. Here you can draw dimension, angular dimension, symmetric dimension, parallel dimension. Then the next one, we have connectors. This is where you can connect two or more lines. This is the drop shadow. To under it you have contours, where you blend, where you distort, where you envelope, most especially this is for to get 3D text. You get your text, then you drop the shadow of the text. Next we have the transparency tool. You all know what transparency means. To transparent background, to transparent shapes, and so on and so forth. This one is the eye drop tool. When you have color and you want a text to have that same color, you just eye drop it. You tap it and you come and drag it to the text, and you have the same